Welcome back everyone to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a low carb, high protein vegan tapas. Alright, so this is going to be a great dish that you can have with your friends or just by yourself, but something that's really different and fun to eat. So when it comes to the ingredients, we're going to use some tomatoes. We also have some cucumbers, our high protein vegan sausage by Tofurkey, our just egg, vegan egg, some garlic, romaine lettuce, and some vegan cheese by Follow Your Heart, and this is a Smoke Gouda. When it comes to the vegan tapas, it's pretty simple to make, okay? All the ingredients that we have here, majority of them are already made up, okay? Because like the tomatoes and the cucumbers, that's all chopped up. We're going to eat that fresh. Now, first thing we're going to do is come to the stove and do a light coat of olive oil, all right, on an iron skillet and as well as a non-stick. And we're going to go ahead and take our vegan eggs first, put this in the non-stick skillet. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that all of this kind of bubbles up and cook right through. So this is on medium heat and we're just going to keep that there. When it comes to our second ingredient, we're going to saute some garlic and also the Tofurkey sausage. Alright, just like that. And then we're going to let that sit there and cook. Alright, now when it comes to the tapas is just small mini entrees of foods that you can try and that you can taste. Okay, try and taste it out. So we're going to go ahead and build our plate right now. So this is our tomatoes, our cucumbers, all right, our vegan cheese, and I like doing this like for like brunch or something like that, like a good Sunday morning, Saturday morning. You know, this is a great brunch to have. And presentation is key, so you want to go ahead and space it out. And then with the lettuce, put it on here. And then as you can see, we're going to put our eggs and then the sausage, and that's pretty much it. So we have our tapas plate almost done, and right now we're just going to wait for this to cook, and then we're pretty much done. All right. Alright y'all, so this is how you make some high protein, low carb, vegan tapas. I mean, look at this. We got our tomatoes, cucumbers, our vegan egg, our vegan cheese, sausages, and romaine lettuce. Very high in vitamins and minerals, super healthy for you. And again, a great plate that you can have by yourself or with your friends and family. But with that said, my name's Corinne Sutton. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, comment down below, and also if you want to learn more about the macronutrients and the recipe, you can check that in the description box down below. But my name is Corinne Sutton, and enjoy.